Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Coupon Empress, aka Collection Gifts by Marjorie. So yes, you all, I have been very busy getting ready for Easter. I've made over 50 baskets already. My goal is to make 100, at least 100. Yeah, at least 100 baskets. So here I am putting up this, constructing this frozen basket. I got this frozen 12 days as surprise. I think I got this from, I want to say CVS. I want to say CVS after Christmas. Or is it Dollar General after Christmas? I don't remember. It's one of those stores. I have that. I'm going to put this in there. Let me come down a little. I have put, let me come back. I wrap a box with polka dot, purple polka dot wrapping paper that I got from Dollar General. I didn't go to Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree is $1.25. Dollar General, it was $1. And these grass, I got this from $1.25 tree. Reason being, I think this is like a 4-ounce bag for $1.25, which I think is very good. At the bottom, I have put newspapers. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the items that I'm going to put in the basket. I got this frozen character. I know nothing about frozen, don't ask me. But I purchased this from Walgreens 2 years ago during their, I think it was, that summer clearance. I got several of these. I am also going to put this bubble wand that I got from Walmart. This was after, I believe, summer last year. This 6-pack was going for 50 cents, and boy, did I rack up. When you see things going on clearance, guys, shop off season. When things are on clearance, that's when you guys should purchase stuff. This frozen one activity sheet and for the sticker set, I got this from $1.25 tree. What else? I think I might include this Good Vibes cup with that outer space character. I'm not sure what character this is. I don't know, but I'm going to put it in there because of the colors. I got this Pool Candy illuminated LED super noodle from, I want to say, Walgreens. And all of this, guys, is after clearance sale. I believe it was Walgreens. What else? And I'm also going to put some snacks. I have Doritos. I have Rice Krispie Treats. I'm also going to put Juicy Juice or Capri Sun. Nobody drinks juice. Yeah, Capri Sun. And yeah, a few items I'm going to put in there. I have a night light that I got from $1.25 tree. This night light, guys, don't sleep on $1.25 tree because they have a lot of name brand stuff in there. This frozen village set, I got this from Dollar General 2 weeks ago or last week. 2 weeks ago. This was during their 90%. No, this was normally $15. I have gone ahead and covered the price with a sticker. I believe it was when they had that 3-day weekend. I think it was it last week? I think it was last week. That 3-day Friday, Saturday, and Sunday when they have an additional 50% off. I got this. This was actually, I believe, $1.50 or 50 cents. Something to that effect. I think it was $1.50. What else I'm going to put in here? So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to go ahead and put this basket together. I hope you guys can see. Let me come down just a tad bit. Okay. Ooh, I want to put this at an angle. if the Frozen kid sock shoe thingy, if this was thicker or wider, I would put that at the top, but this is a thick, and if I put it on top, I wonder if I could put it on top, hoping it won't tilt. What do you think, you all? Should I put it on top? I think I'm going to put it on top. Yeah. I think I'm going to put it on top. Let's tape you down so that you do not fall. Okay, let's put some tape underneath the bottom. Okay. I hope this is not a disaster waiting to happen. I hope not. Okay. Let's see. Now it feels like it's gonna tilt backwards. Let's spin this around. Okay. It kind of looks steady. Don't fall. Let's see what else we could do right here. Hold on. Okay, I think it's a little bit more sturdy. Okay, let's turn you around. Okay, so let's bring you up higher. I put this on the top, hoping that it's not gonna tilt. Let's come back down and continue. Okay. What else? I think I should put this on the other side. Okay, let's move this. Okay. Don't worry, y'all. You will see once this is completed. Now I won't put you here. I'll put... What will I put? What should I put? What should I put? The Kool-Aid Jammers. Put you right here. I'm going to show you all what it's looking like so far. Okay, so I am finished with the basket now. Here I have 2 eggs. I have some filling in there. Frozen thingy, Nightlight, Doritos, Kool-Aid Jammers, the cup, that character, the wand, Crispy Rice Treats, Ghirardelli, and this pool candy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a 40 by 100 cellophane wrap, and I'll be right back. So here is the end product. I love how this looks. I'm loving it. Let me show you all some of the baskets that I already made. You know what? I'm going to leave that for another video. I'm going to leave that for another video. Okay, guys, I'm going to sign off for now. So this is my frozen basket for 2023. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, come on, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, hit that notification bell. So every time I upload a video, you will be one of the first persons to be notified. Take care, guys. Have a safe and blessed week, and I'll catch you all in another video. Bye.